We'll guide you through how to make an anchor link in WordPress. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a functional anchor link in WordPress, begin the process by opening the Google Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop computer. Click inside the address bar at the top of your browser window. Type the word WordPress into the address bar to search for the official platform online. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. Click the official WordPress link from the search results to go directly to the homepage. Click the Start My Site button shown in the middle of the page. Select Continue with Google to sign into your account easily and securely. Choose the specific Google account you want to use for your WordPress profile. Go through the permissions page and click Continue to move on. Enter a name for your website if this is your first time creating one. Click the Search Domains button to look for available web addresses for your site. Select the domain that fits your project the best from the list. Click Add to Cart next to the web address you want for your site. Click Continue to go to the very next step. Select Start with a free plan from the pricing option shown on the screen. Click Continue with Free Plan to open your site dashboard. Give it a moment for your WordPress dashboard to finish loading everything. Once it loads, find and click Quick Links on the right side of the screen. Click Write Blog Post from the Quick Links options. Click the title field and type a title for your blog post. Click the body area below the title to start writing your content. Type the text you want to show in your blog post. Highlight the specific word or phrase you want to turn into a clickable link. Click the link icon on the small toolbar that shows up above your selected text. Type or paste the web address you want to link to. Click the link suggestion that appears to save and apply the link. Click Publish to post your blog live on your website. After publishing, open the blog post you just created, check it. Your anchor link is now set up and ready to be used.